So what's up guys, it's Prosper here again, live at WebManager.NG. So in this video I'm about to show you guys is how you can install WordPress easily on your web manager hosting account, which is your cPanel. So if you want to log into your cPanel, you scroll down here, you scroll down to where you have WordPress Manager by Subtaclus. So you click it right here and you're going to click on install. So I already have one installation, but that is in a directory. But in this case, if you want it to be in a folder, you're going to specify the folder name. Maybe you want it on EN, or you want it on US, or you want it on NG, or you want it on GH, whatsoever directory you want your WordPress to be installed in, you got to insert it there specifically. But in my case, I want it to be directly under my domain. So I'm not going to put anything in my directory, so I just go right here, and for the username you're going to put in the username of your choice, then your password also you can change it if that is too complex for you to cram. So you're just going to enter a demo password that you know. Then your site title, let me call this best shopping center. In the description, okay, let me use this as my description. So let me call this web store, just something like that, web store, right? So once you've done that, you come down right here. So if you need any specific plugin, you can go ahead and select the plugins you want, but for my case, I don't actually select any of those. Also, we have the advanced option. You can click on this drop down right here and you view the advanced section. So this is about your database, so you don't have to touch anything there. I will suppose there should be a feed for theme, but if there's none, you can go ahead, come right here, and you're going to enter the mail that you want your installation details to be sent to. So I'm going to enter my regular mail and I'm going to click on the install button. So on this case right now, our WordPress is installing into our domain. So you can come right here and you can visit your site. So as you can see, our site is open and this is also awesome. So the next thing you can also do right here, you can come to this next login, which is the administrative URL where you can manage your site. So you go ahead and click it. So at this point, you can go ahead and apply your themes, your plugins, and the rest. So if you need more tutorial on how you can develop a website using WordPress, you should check on the link on the video description of this particular video, and you'll be redirected to where you can create any kind of website using WordPress. So if you love what we're doing in this channel, ensure you hit the subscribe button. Ensure you are using WebManager.NG, because that is the site that has been very, very suitable to me. Their hosting service is awesome, and I recommend every one of you to use WebManager.NG today. It's a Nigerian hosting company and it is a bulletproof hosting. Trust me when I say it's a bulletproof hosting. So if you are getting in to use WebManager.NG, also use my referral link on the video description also, and you get started. So thank you very much, and I'll see you guys in our next class.